Hello, Junior Doctors! Welcome back to Junior Dr. Fiona Chow's YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to dissect a type of clam called Pseudocardium satulinens. I'm going to type it up here. It's very long. And it's basically this. So, first of all, if you are sensitive, please shut down this video right now. And also, before watching this video, remember to go watch my other video, which is about lab procedures for safety. I'll link it up here. Okay, now that you have completed both of those qualifications, we can now start. Okay, so we're just gonna put this aside. And we have one that's already like this. Okay, so first of all, we have to identify what type of mollusk this clam is. So clams are part of the bivalve family, and it's basically, a type of mollusk. And for Pseudocardium satulinens, there's something very interesting about it because its origin is from Japan. And here, this purplish muscle is for pushing it so that it could swim in the ocean, so that it can move for food, for transportation. And so on the shell, attached to this shell, there is not only this piece of muscle that allows it to open and close its shell. There's also this really thin piece of this part, and this is the thing that's attached to the shell.
We cut this part off. Let me just be careful. Okay, we can see the anatomy. Okay, so.
This is very thin, like this. It's almost transparent. Okay. Now we can see the anatomy, right? So here, this orange part, this is the gill. And why does it need the gill? Like fish, it needs the gill because first, here is where it inhales oxygen. And it goes in and in and in and into here, like here. And the oxygen goes in here and generates to the blood supply. It comes out and it ends up coming out here. There's actually two pipes here. So next to the gill is the heart. This purplish thing is the heart. And it's a little hard to see, but next to it, here is the stomach of the Pseudocardium satulinens. So if you look at it, it's actually, you could kind of see the poo. When you trace along back here is the muscle. So these two big muscles are for opening and closing the clam. And this is the big muscle, honestly. This part is for swimming, as I have mentioned. And if we flip it, it's pretty much a mirror of the anatomy. You could see the gills, the heart, the stomach here. And that is pretty much it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this week's YouTube channel. And remember to eat healthy, exercise, and enjoy life. Thank you so much for watching, and hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Thank you, and see you next time.